It is a Tuesday night. We are in Woodman's.
Is it Tuesday?
Woodman's, our favorite place to be. And Diana has showed me this wonderful accelerator. It moves your flesh. And now to demonstrate. Oh, that's creepy. What did that feel like? What? Her gums. Wow, that was crazy. I'm afraid. Okay, now to show you my flesh.